Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. We've all tried store-bought lemon curd and I say forget it. It's full of unpronounceable ingredients and who knows how old lemons. Let's make it fresh, delicious and homemade. Trust me, this lemon curd is so good you'll be eating it with a spoon straight from the bowl. Grab your lemons and zest away. For the lemon juice, we need about 1/3 of a cup or 80 milliliters. Pro tip: if you are tempted to use bottled lemon juice, well, just don't. In a medium heat resistant glass bowl, mix the lemon zest, 3 egg yolks, 1 large egg, sugar, a pinch of salt, and the fresh lemon juice. Now let's talk about how we cook this. Lemon curd on direct heat? That's a one-way ticket to scrambled eggs. Instead, we are using a double boiler. Fill a saucepan with about 1 to 2 inches of water. Insert your glass bowl, but make sure the water doesn't touch it. Lemon curd doesn't always get along with metal bowls. They give it a slightly metallic aftertaste. So stick with glass or ceramic. Bring the water to a boil, reduce to a simmer and stir the mixture like your dessert depends on it. Well, because it does. In the olden times they would use wooden spoon, but I highly suggest you use a silicone whisk. Let it cool for a few minutes, then cover it with plastic wrap directly touching the surface, because no one likes a curd skin. Pop it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. Patience is hard, but I promise you it will be worth it. And there you have it, homemade lemon curd. Spread it on toast, swirl it into yogurt, put it on muffins, spread it on a cake. Let me know in the comments. Are you a spreader or a straight from the jar kind of a person? Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more delicious recipes. See you next time.